4, 5, 6. Holy moly! Today is Monday surprise box. My name is Amelie and I'm going to be guessing what's in the box. So I'm gonna, where is it? What the heck is it? What? Bottle. And I don't know. Bottle of lotion. I don't know. Oh my gosh. I didn't even notice that. What? Okay, so here are the hints. So sunshine plus eyes plus a boy. How do I open this? Oh. Yeah, it looks like a bottle. Comes with a lot of surprises. What is this? It's probably a bed for it. So I don't really know what it is. I could, got this little magnifying. Wonder which one I got. I hope it's gonna be, so either this one or this one. I hope it's gonna be one of those. So I think this is the little, here is the dress for it. It's so cute. Here is the dress. I'm gonna open up this. Here is, I think, it attaches on to here and then you get to carry it around. I don't know. Oh! Look it. It's a little bottle with some water. That's why it was cold. Okay, so the last thing until we're gonna open up our little pet. It's a poopy. Yeah, I think this is the litter box. Oh no. Okay, let's open up furry. What the heck is this? Who is this? Oh my gosh, it's furry. I wanna, wait. Who is this? Who is this?
Aww, it's actually kind of cute. It's
actually
a
kind
little
of furry.
Weird feeling, but that's good.
Wait, I'm gonna, oh my gosh. What the?
Oh, okay. So,
Wait, there's something in here. There's something in here. Oh, they're the little shoes.
because it looks like it's
They're
telling you to
shoes.
take it apart.
I don't
That's
think
weird.
anything is
Maybe I
popping
should
up.
Put more water.
How about, can you just dip it in?
Probably not.
Well, I'm gonna
Okay, yeah.
try.
Just rub it as hard.
You rub it.
Maybe. Yeah, I'll show you.
December, I'll help you.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, all the fur's coming off.
Oh, okay.
And then it'll reveal what animal it is. Ooh, it's already kind of looking like
Wait, I want to see.
one of the.
It's brown. It's brown.
Yes, I can see it.
Oh.
Wait, it maybe even be.
I know who it is.
Who?
It's her. It's
Is
Pup
it a cat?
Swing.
Pup swing?
Oh, it's so
Let me see
cute.
it.
What is that supposed to do?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna just open this up and give some water to it. Then I think it's gonna squeeze it in there. So let's see. I don't know what it does. I'm gonna go see what my puppy does. So goodbye. Thank you for watching my video. Please watch my other videos and I'll see you next time.